Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tips. So, as you saw the thumbnail and the title of the video, in this video we are going to make a compound word game. So, let's get started. So, I hope you all can see my screen. So, let me just show you the game today we are going to make. So, this is the game compound word game. If I click on the start button, it will come here. Okay, and if I click this plus button, it will be like this. Now if I click the butterfly, then it will be like this, and then I click the plus, then a rainbow. Okay, then the game will end. So I have sent all the sprites on Discord. Make sure to check them out. Okay, and so what you need to do is open a new tab. In the URL, search code.org. Then make sure you have signed in and then click on create, then Sprite Lab. Then you need to upload all the sprites. I have already uploaded them. Okay, I've already uploaded all of them. So now let's get started. So the first thing we will do is set the background color. Okay, just give me a second. Yes. So now I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. So first, just a second. Yeah. So first what we are going to do is, so let's go into world where we will get the background block, then put set background to this. So basically for the first screen I would want to put a gradient. So let's search for a gradient. How about we do this one? So I've selected it. Now click again and the first option will be that. Okay. Now what I want is the compound word game. Okay, so as you can see it is here, but the size is too small. So go into sprites and then you will find set size to this. So select this and then let's test and try 200, 300. Okay, I think so 300 is okay. Then click on this pen and make it kind of like here. Okay, then make a new sprite which will be our start button. Then place it over here. I think so we should do this to 400. No, 350. Yeah, 350 is alright. Okay, so now what we want is that our when our start button is clicked, then what should happen? So first of all I want to remove all the sprites. So get the remove block and scroll down till you get all sprites over here and just change it like this. Okay, so I have created a new sprite which is the butter and again which will be the fly. Okay, and then I also want to create a plus. Okay, this one. So now I want to see this on this screen which is right over here. So for that what we will use a comment block. This is what comments I used for. So I'll put it over here, remove this, and over here and add a comment block over here so that I remember. So it's going to look like this. So I'm going to change the placing of the butter to here. and the placing of the fly over here. Okay, and the plus is in the middle, but I think so we should do it over here. Okay, nice. And let's take the background also. Let's see. I think so we should choose this one. You can choose any you want. It is not mandatory to choose what I am choosing. Okay, so now I'm going to add another when clicked block. Okay, when the plus is clicked, then what should they do? This should come over here and this should come over here. Okay, so the butter should be moving east, which is right, right side. Okay, so this sprite begins moving east. Okay, where is the block? Moving east. And meanwhile, the fly should move west. Yeah. So let's find moving. Okay, and when they touch each other, then we what there it should be a new screen, right? So for that, going to sprites and just remove all of the sprites. All right, like this. Okay, so after that, yeah. Then what should we show? So butter plus fly is equal to a butterfly, and we have already added that sprite. I'm going to choose a butterfly, and I think so. We should change the size of it. So get a set size block for butterfly, and let's do it. 100 is the default. I think so. We should do 150, or let's say 200, and then I also want to show a title which will be butterfly. Okay, and let's place it over here. Yeah. So let's test. Okay, wait. When the butter touches the fly, yeah, plus a butterfly. Okay. So I think so. We should make it somehow over here. Now let's test and see. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. And let's change the background again so that it kind of gives an effect that the background is changing and kind of the screen also is changing. Okay, just a second. Okay, so now I will change the background to the one that I selected, and sorry for that. Okay, so that was this one, right? Okay, so after that, what we want is that when we click the butterfly, then our next screen should appear. Okay, so let's quickly code that out as well. So events when a butterfly is clicked, then what will be the rain and bow. Okay, so rainbow. Okay, so I'm going to add a comment again. Okay, then I'm going to make a new. Okay, first let's remove all the sprites, and we'll just copy paste the block. Control C plus Control V. Alright, and after that I will choose the rain image, and over here, and the bow image. Okay, over the opposite side of it, and I'm going to add the plus mark. Okay, over here. So this looks nice. Okay, now let's quickly add this under this code. Okay, make sure to remove the comments blocks. Okay, now I'm going to go in events and put when this is clicked, then basically same thing as this should happen. So let's copy paste it. It will be more simple that way, but we need to change the sprites, right? Okay, now when they touch, it should just show a rainbow. Nothing will happen after we click that rainbow, okay? Unless you want something to happen. Okay, if you want, you can totally make something like that. It's totally up to you. I think we should say change the background to the same one so that it kind of looks like when it is compounding or when the word is coming, then same background is there. Okay, so let's quickly do this. I'm going to copy and paste it, and over here do rainbow. Okay, so now let's finally test our app start plus. Okay, butterfly. Now, when I click the butterfly, this screen comes add. Okay, yeah, we didn't change it. So you need to be really careful when you copy paste. Okay, you need to make sure the code is same at. It should be kind of changed. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I hope you all liked the game. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know you all want more content like this. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends so that they can also learn with this app and with the graphics. Okay, bye bye.